Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial: how to deposit a check using the Barclays app in 2025. With banking apps getting smarter every year, this process is quicker and more secure than ever. Whether you're a busy professional or just starting with digital banking, this guide will have you depositing checks in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Barclays app installed on your smartphone. If it's not updated, head to your App Store and download the 2025 update. It's packed with new features for smoother transactions. Step 1. Open the Barclays app and log in using your username and password, or biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID for extra security. Step 2. Once you're in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Deposits or Mobile Check Deposit icon. It's usually front and center for easy access. Step 3. Tap on that option, and you'll be prompted to enter the check details. Start by taking a clear photo of the front and back of your check. Make sure it's well lit and the entire check is visible to avoid any errors. Step 4. After uploading the photo, the app will ask you to confirm the amount, select the account you want to deposit into, and add any additional notes if needed. Double-check everything here to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Hit the Submit or Deposit Now button. The app will process your request and give you a confirmation message. You'll also get an email or in-app notification once it's approved. One quick tip: if you run into any issues, like a blurry photo, the app has built-in editing tools to help. And remember, checks might take 1 to 2 business days to clear, so keep an eye on your account. There you have it. That's how easy it is to deposit a check in the Barclays app for 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.